Today we will be going over the EPTZ EKB500 DVR connectivity. Okay, what we will be discussing today. We will be going over the EPTZ models and specifications, along with the EKB500 specifications, the new EPTZ designs, the dip switch settings and differences between each model EPTZ, the components and the connectivity, connecting an EPTZ to an EDR or an EDVR, and then connecting an EPTZ to an eCore or a Paragon DVR. We will also be introducing the EDA997AR, which is a serial distributor, and configuring the EKB500. Okay, first, EPTZ models and the specifications. The first camera here is the EPTZ100. The EPTZ100 has a 1/4-inch Sony SuperHAD chip, and it's 520 TV lines. The pan range is 360 degrees, and the tilt range is 90 degrees. With the EPTZ100, you have 100 times total zoom, 10 optical, and 10 digital. The power supply is a 24-volt power supply. The compatible protocols with the EPTZ100 are EverFocus protocol, Pelco D, and Pelco P protocols. The available baud rates are 12, 24, 48, and 9600. With the EPTZ100, you can have up to 64 preset points and 4 preset group tours. The EKB500 is needed for preset and tour programming if you are not connected to the internet. Okay, the EPTZ100 offers digital slow shutter up to 128x, which is the same thing as the EZ550 in the sense-up, if any of you guys out there have used the EZ550. It's also a true day-night operation with an automatic IR cut filter. And you have 4 10-minute patterns available to you, and those are programmable camera movements. The next camera we have here is the EPTZ500. This has a 1/4-inch Sony CCD chip, and that's 480 TV lines. The pan range is 360 degrees, and the tilt range is 90 degrees. Okay, with the EPTZ500, it is a total of 216 zoom, 18 optical, and 12 digital. This too also uses a 24-volt power supply, and the compatible protocols are EverFocus, Pelco D, Pelco P, and Samsung. The baud rates available are 12 to 9600 also. And the EPTZ500 is capable of holding up to 192 preset points and 16 tours. Now, each tour can contain up to 16 positions, and the EKB500 is needed for preset and tour programming if the EPTZ camera is not connected to the DVR through the internet. Next, we have the EPTZ1000. Okay, this is also a 1/4-inch Sony XView CCD chip. This is 480 TV lines with a total of 216 total zoom, 18 optical, and 12 digital. The pan range is 360 degrees, and the tilt range is 90 degrees. Okay, it also uses a 24-volt power supply, and it is compatible with the protocols EverFocus, Pelco D, Pelco P, and Samsung. The baud rates too are 12 to 9600. And just like the EPTZ500, the 1000 offers 192 preset points and 16 tours. Okay, the EPTZ100 is basically the outdoor model of the 500. And the 1000 is IP66 rated. Okay, next you have the EPTZ3100I and 3100. The difference is the I means indoor and the regular 3100 is outdoor. Okay, if you are purchasing the 3100 and you need it for an indoor application, make sure you order the I. Otherwise, do not order the I model and try to put that outside because it does not have the O-ring and can leak or absorb moisture. So it's very important when ordering the 3100 that you specify the I for indoor model or the regular 3100. Okay, this has a 1/4-inch Sony Interline Transfer SuperHAD CCD chip. It's a total of 240 zoom max. Okay, this is 30 optical and 8 digital. It's 520 TV lines for horizontal resolution. This too has a true day-night with IR cut filter. The pan range is 360 degrees and the tilt range is 180 degrees. The power supply is 24 volts. Okay, the compatible protocols are EverFocus, Auto, Pelco DMP, A-Type, and Panasonic. Okay, the baud rates are also 12 to 9600. Like your 1000, the 3100 does offer 192 preset points and 16 tours. Okay, each one of those tours has 16 positions, and the EKB500 is needed for any preset or tour programming if it's not connected to a DVR over the internet. The 3100 also offers wide dynamic range for surveillance with extreme lighting conditions. Okay, this will help eliminate any washed out images. It has built-in dynamic noise reduction, okay, and this will eliminate any noise associated with the low light environments. It is weatherproof IP66 rated. Again, this is on the outdoor model only. That's the 3100. Okay, and the EPTZ3100 offers 4 patterns, each 90 seconds long. And it's important also remembering ordering the 3100 that the mounting bracket is sold separately. Okay, so when you're talking to your distributor, please see the optional accessory tab for details. Okay, next camera we have here is the EPTZ3600. This has a 1/4-inch Sony X-View Super HAD CCD chip. We have a total zoom of 432x. That's 36 optical and 12 digital. This camera here is 530 TV lines. It also has a true day-night with IR cut filter. The pan range is 360 degrees. The tilt range is 180. It also uses a 24-volt power supply. And the compatible protocols are EverFocus, Auto, Pelco D, Pelco P, A-Type, and Panasonic. Okay, the baud rates stay the same. It offers you 12 to 9600. You do get 192 preset points with the 16 tours. You also have the option of the digital slow shutter. 4 patterns, again, each are 90 seconds long. And it is weatherproof IP66 rated. And like the 3100 to 3600, the mounting bracket is sold separately, so please see the optional accessories tab. Next, we have the EKB500. The EKB500 is a 3-axis joystick for convenient pan, tilt, and zoom control. And it also offers a jog shuttle and separate keypad for DVR control. So not only can it control your cameras, but it can also control all EverFocus DVRs. Okay, the protocols that the EKB500 support are EverFocus, Samsung, SCC 641, 643, and 6405, Pelco D, Pelco P, Panasonic, and L-Type, which is the LG Electronics protocol. With the keypad, the EKB500, you are able to set presets and tours for the cameras, and one keypad can control up to 256 domes. Okay, and like I said earlier, the EKB500 can help you set up presets in the EPTZ100 that can hold up to 64 presets. And the EPTZ500, 1000, 3100, 3100i, and 3600, each camera can hold up to 192 positions. And in the 500, the 1000, the 3100, the 31i, and the 3600 can all hold up to 16 tours using 16